Hello everyone and welcome for this tutorial. Today we are going to make this beautiful jewelry from this kit. So let's open this first. So here there's a booklet which you can just see and make your own jewelry. Some beautiful accessories, stars and a lot of beads, thread and elastic, hook and clamp. So now we'll take the thread and we'll start making the necklace first. So you can cut the thread as per the size you required and make sure you keep little extra than you required and take the double length. Now this thread I will attach and hook. Here you can pass from the hook. You don't need to give any knot here. You can start directly your beads inside. So there are a lot of color beads are there and you can start adding beads one by one, and color combination you can decide on your own. The way you love it, you can just go in that sequence. I'm just adding one by one all and making it a very colorful and a bright necklace. So here we will add beads. Now in the center we will add some stars to make it a proper neck piece. 3 stars you can keep it aside for a bracelet, and rest all we will add inside the necklace. Similarly you can add the star, pass your thread from the one point and take it out from the other. This might be little tricky, but I'm sure it's beautiful and fun. It's really fun to design your own jewelry. I just love it and I'm very excited. So this is how I'm adding all the stars. After adding all the stars, now we will add the similar number of beads other side also. You can add the exactly same number of beads. Color combination you can again redesign the way you love it. Here now time to add the clamp. One thread we will pass from inside the clamp and another we will keep it outside, and we will give some simple knot, but make sure it's very tight. Give proper 2 knots and cut your extra thread. And ta-da! Necklace is ready. So now let's make the bracelet. To make the bracelet, we will take again elastic band here instead of the thread and cut as the size required. Start adding your beads from the one point and make sure it doesn't run from the other side, so you need to hold it there. So other side I'm just holding it nicely so that it doesn't run from the. Here also you can add beads as per your choice. I mean the sequence of the color you can decide the way you want. And exactly in the center we will add 3 stars. again similar number of beads, and here without adding any clamp or hook, we will straight away put the knot, as it's elastic so it's stretchable and easy to wear. So do let me know where you will wear this jewelry and how will you flaunt your friends. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and more than that, hope you will enjoy wearing this one. Thank you so much for watching and see you. Bye bye.